First, we have to find the domain of this function. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. So let's see what we have here on the right side. We have fraction bar, and we know that fraction bar means division. So we know that we cannot divide by 0. So whatever is in denominator must be different than 0. Let's check when this denominator is equal 0. 9 minus x equals 0. I will move negative x to the right side. 9 equals x. So x equals 9. For x equals 9, the denominator will be 0. So we have to exclude this 9 because we cannot divide by 0. And for this 9, the denominator will be 0. Our domain will be all real numbers exclude 9. This is our domain. Now we have to find the range. When you have to find the range, it means we have to find all possible values of y. So, to find this value, we have to solve this equation for x. Let me copy this equation, and because I have fraction bar on the right side, I will make the fraction bar on the left side. Y over 1 equals x over 9 minus x. We have proportion, we have to cross multiply. Y times 9 minus x equals 1 times x is x. Now we have to multiply y by whatever is in parentheses. So y times 9 is 9y. Y times negative x is negative xy equals x. Now I have to move all terms with x to the one side. I will move to the right side because on the side I have negative xy. So we have 9y equals x plus xy. Now we can factor x. We copy 9y equals x, and in parentheses I will have 1 plus y. Now I will divide both sides by whatever is in parentheses. Y 1 plus y, 1 plus y will cancel, and I will change the sign. X equals 9y in numerator, and in denominator I have 1 plus y. So let's see what we have here on the right side. We have fraction bar, and again we know that we cannot divide by 0. So let's see when this denominator will be 0. We have 1 plus y equals 0 when y equals negative 1. So our range for this function will be all real number exclude negative 1, because for this negative 1 the denominator will be 0. So y is all real numbers exclude negative 1. This is our range.